Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing really great and are safe at your homes. So I'm back with another review, but this time it's not a web series. It's one of the most celebrated Netflix documentaries that goes by the name Becoming. Well. So, where should I start while I'm talking about this? This documentary was actually a soul enriching experience for me. I have always, liked Michelle Obama, but after seeing this documentary, I certainly believe that this is the definition of what we call as a woman of substance. And there are many reasons which I can give you for you guys to watch this one, but I would quote the biggest one, which is Michelle herself. So the first one will be the kind of person she is. After I saw this documentary, the one thing which I very precisely got to know is that she is a strong woman. And by strong, I do not mean that she has only, taken all the brickbats very boldly. By strong, I mean she has a very strong foundation, and that is why she is where she is. Many people say that if it were not for her husband, she wouldn't have come into limelight and she wouldn't have been the person she is. And I actually comply with half of that, yes, maybe, but the kind of person she translates to and the way she speaks very beautifully tells that what her education is. And by education, I do not mean the degree, the kind of person she is and what all she has learned throughout her life. So she's smart, she's intelligent, and she is beautifully humorous. I mean, there is one part in this whole documentary wherein she's at the opera show and she's communicating with the audience and opera as well, and she's very clearly, narrates a scene wherein her daughter's friends have come over a sleepover. That is the last night of theirs at the White House. So she very hurriedly in the morning go to their room and then ask them to just get up and pack the bags and just get ready to leave because the Trumps will be here any time. And as soon as she says this sentence, the whole audience laughs out loud. So what I'm trying to explain over here is that she's not a person to whom the people just respond. She's kind of a person with whom people relate. I mean, the expressions when you see at the audience's faces are something that you would see when someone of your own is talking and you resonate with that person so much. So that is that quality. The second one will be the way this documentary is shot isn't movie making. It's just shooting what are basically the events that take place in Michelle Obama's life. And that is what I really loved about this documentary, was that it was as raw as it can be. And I guess that is why it really hit me hard and I felt so overwhelmed, because I was actually seeing and communicating with Michelle more rather than keeping my attention towards the other things. So that is the thing about this particular movie, and it's 1.5 hours long. So that isn't a very long duration. And fun fact is that as soon as it was getting at its end and as soon as it got over, I actually craved for more. I actually wanted to know more. And that was actually the moment when I repented that why haven't I read this book. And that's one off on my list, and do tell me whether you have read the book or not. I'd love to know. So yeah, coming back to this point, she is honest and she is so humble and she is so straightforward. She does not sugarcoat things. She understands what position she holds, but then she is as humane as possible to all her people, to all her teams. The people want to work for her. They just don't work for her. That is what it is shown, and that's not at all scripted, because you can truly tell on camera what exactly, people are befooling us or not. So that is a very beautiful thing, and that is what she has mentioned there in one of the scenes about her marital relationship and her marital status, that at one point of time she was actually not able to hold it all, and they went to a marriage counselor, and this is something very intimate detail of someone's life, and you can say that maybe she did it for publicity, or maybe she just wanted limelight. I mean, she is Michelle Obama. She does not need that. She has already so much to herself, and she does not need that. And also there is a particular way in which all these things are translated. You actually get to know very easily what is exactly the intention, and so beautifully she narrates the scenes. I would not tell you that. You see yourself in the documentary, but the way with the honesty is so beautifully shown in every scene of that documentary, and it's as real as it can get. Her brother is making fun of her in front of her mother. Her husband is making fun of her. They could have just edited out, because that's exactly how documentary is to be made, and it was really nice. The third one which I like to mention is that she actually pushes you hard to take control of your life. She says that you have to keep evolving. When someone asks a kid that what do you want to become when you grow old, and he says something or the other. Now this is a question which you don't need to ask kids, because we grow throughout our life. Our learning process is evolving. So this is a question which I believe is not relevant. That's what she says, and I could actually resonate with it. We all are learning and unlearning so many things. We all keep on evolving throughout our life period. So that is something really very prominent which I took from it. And she also mentioned that you have to take control of your life. There is one black president and things will get great for black people. No, it will not happen. You have to take ownership of your life, and if you take it, then only you can go ahead. So it's a very beautiful concept. That is something which I think we all know, but a gentle reminder, as you say. So this movie was definitely a gentle reminder for me, and that is why I wanted to share with you guys. To sum it up, this experience was amazing. If you want to have consume some content which is raw, which is authentic, and through which you can learn something for life, then I would surely recommend you guys to watch this one. And do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite scene from the documentary, and I would love to know your views on that. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon. Until we meet next time, just take care of yourself and be happy. Bye.